Good evening and welcome to another Prjoect Bimmer video, my 1995 BMW 318i, and in this video I'm going to be changing the rear springs. So you'll be wondering why I'm changing the rear springs. Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll get this wheel off and I'll show you why. So with the wheel off and the car's supported, I've got it chocked at the front. It's soon obvious that we have a broken spring. So we'll need to get that out. We need to get all this down. Now it's as simple as getting this nut off the bottom nut off the shocker. Now it's an 18mm. I'll give it a spray with some stuff before attacking it with the beast. So time to get it on. I've given it a spray with some stuff. So just get this on. Make sure it's in the reverse, and it come out that simple. This thing really makes short work of everything. So with that out the way, we should be able to move this old control arm down enough to liberate the spring. Okay, so I'll put it on tripod. So it's literally a matter of just prying this down. So let's have a look. What's going to be the best place to pry it? I think if we get it in here, just that should push it down far enough to be able to liberate the spring. And out it comes. It's really as simple as that. The hinge says to undo the drive shaft bolts and release the end of the drive shaft on the diff, but I don't think it's really necessary. So there we go, that's the spring out, and you can see very broken. So we'll get new springs out and we'll just compare them. So these are my new springs. I managed to pick up a pair of KYB rear springs for just over 18 quid a piece on eBay. So we'll just open one of them up and we'll see how it compares to the old one. Now I'm not sure which is top and which is bottom. So just get this out of the box. Everybody loves a good unboxing. There we go. So there's your spring. Like I says, I'm not sure which is top or bottom. So I've got my calipers. I'll measure the gap at the bottom. Let's have a look. That's about, I think it's 41mm. So that gap's 41mm. Compare it at the other end. It's about the same. I think they're symmetrical, these springs. It doesn't matter which way up they go. They look to be the same because we measured one end and we got 41mm that end. Actually, that might be a bit bigger. Let's have a look. Oh, no, it's 51. And that one is about 47. So there is a difference. So we'll just get our broken one and see what that measures. So this is the bottom of our broken spring. Oh, and we'll find out which is the oh, it looks like it. This looks like this is even smaller. 41. So that's 41. Let's get the top bit. This is our top bit. So that's, just measure that. So the top of that one's about 40mm. The bottom one's even bigger. So small at the top, big at the bottom. So I think we'll go with that. I may have measured this bit wrong because I measured across there. Should have measured across there really. So we'll try again. 46, and we'll try again. So smaller. That's a smaller end. So just check it once more. Small. Well, I think there's nothing for it, just to try these. So we'll just get this spring fitted. So I'm giving it a quick blast with the air, the compressed air, and I'm giving these rubber bits a quick blast with the brake cleaner. And so let's see if we can get this back in, which might be easier said than done. I'll just get my pry bar. Oh, be careful. You need to be careful. Just and looks like, let's get these pieces positioned. So look, because there was a place where they all sat anyway, so that is basically it. So we're back in, so just need to do this up. This is where the trolley jack comes in hand. In fact, see if I can get this. Oh, we've got a jack up under there, so we're getting under trailing arms somewhere. So I should be able to jack it up there, just enough to get the shocker on. There we go, grab the bolt. I know you can't see much here, but that's the bolt started. So get it done up with Beastie. Oops. That's it, quick old good dugger. Let it down, and that is basically job done. It really is that easy. Bolt out at bottom of the shocker, push it down, spring out, and that's it, that's job done. So get the wheel back on. I'll get the other side done. I'll do that off camera, you don't need to see that, and I'll get back to you when job's finished. So I've got the other side done. So I'm going to wrap up this video. I'll need to take it on a road test on an essential shopping trip, because we're currently in lockdown. It's 15th of April today. We've been in lockdown in the UK for 3 weeks now. So on the essential trip, so I'll combine the road test with a trip to Aldi. We need some milk, so I would call that essential. I can settle the suspension because I don't know if you can tell, it's a bit higher than it was before, but you know, once it's run about, it'll have a chance to settle. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and ring that notification bell, and you get notifications of my videos. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.